Hey, how's it going? In my previous videos I've built an aircraft trolley fridge and it doesn't work that well. And here's why. The day has come. I am finally taking off of this place here, this camping spot, which treated me well for pretty much half a year by now. This is gonna be an update video on my refrigeration inside of my car. I'm in Italy right now. I've headed down from Austria towards the Lake Garda and I'm going towards France. It's bloody hot here and having a fridge is great. So this video will be all about that. We'll see if I can find some Wi-Fi to upload my videos. Let's jump right into the video. So in one of my previous videos I have built this aircraft trolley fridge, but it doesn't really work. It does kind of, but the whole concept was kind of broken before I even started, because the lid of the fridge I put in here was kind of broken before. It didn't really work. It only worked sometimes, but I forgot about it when I was doing it. And so I've built a switch right in the back here, which I can flick on and off. And only when I start the ignition of the car, the fridge was able to switch on after like 20 off and on switches. So I had to go like, and then the fridge was able to start. Right now I just tried it and the fridge started every time I just switched it on and off, which is kind of weird. Maybe because the battery is like full as. So the fridge didn't really work when I was standing at the campsite, so I had to find a different solution. Even though it works right now, or could work, I don't really need it anymore because I've got a new fridge, which I'm gonna talk about in a minute. But this is gonna be my grocery storing for now. Everything that doesn't really have to be cool, even though I put a bit of insulation up here because the sun really heats this thing up, but it's a very nice solution for all the other foods. So there's a few reasons why I'm not using this as a main fridge anymore, or why I bought a new one, which is one, this fridge draws a lot of power. I think it takes 4 amps by 12 volts, so that's about 2 days. I can go with that one. It's the same with the new fridge, but this one, I think the whole cold air comes out when you open it pretty quickly. And on top of that, the whole refrigeration system is on the top here, which is in the warmer part of the car when the car gets heated up, which it does right now because I'm in Italy. And that's another reason I think that there's a delta of a refrigeration system like I have right now. I'm not quite certain with this fact, but I'm thinking that this fridge can only cool the inside temperature about 20 degrees colder than the outside temperature. And so if this car gets really hot and it's like 40 degrees inside of this car, especially on this height, then the inside temperature would be still 20 degrees, or if it's even 10, that's still a bit too warm for a fridge. And so that is why I bought a new fridge, which is basically the same system as I had before. It's got the refrigeration system in the top lid, and it cools down all the bottom part, and it's got insulation all around, and it works a lot better than the one I had before, especially just the top thing. I think it cools down a lot better too, even though it takes 4 amps as well, which is on the very top side of fridges. I had a look, expensive fridges take about 1 amp and this one takes 4, so it would be 4 times the amount of days I could last with this one if I bought one for like 500 or 800 bucks. But this one only cost me 20 and I don't have a lot of money, so I have to go with that one. And it does the job, it works kind of good, especially because this one is a lot lower in the car. The system here, I have it running always when I drive around. Yeah, this one's hooked up to the main battery too. As you can see, same system. This one gets cold and you can have all the veggies in here. So the Esky has the wicked place right in front of the fire stove, which I don't need in the summer because it's too freaking hot here. This fridge does a good job. We'll see how it's gonna last. And yeah, that was just a small update on my fridge. I'll talk to you next one. Boys.